Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to complete Form 5472 for Foreign Single Member LLC. Part 1 is about the reporting corporation. Here you enter your LLC name, address, and E&E. You also report total assets, business activity, total payments reported on the form, country of incorporation, and confirm that the company is foreign-owned. Most foreign single-member LLCs will check the box that says foreign-owned U.S. disregarded entity. Part 2 is about the 25% foreign shareholder. For a single-member LLC, this is usually the only owner. You enter the owner's full name, address, foreign tax ID if available, country of citizenship, and country of tax residence. Part 3 identifies the related party. In most cases, this is again the foreign owner. You must confirm whether the related party is a foreign person and describe the relationship. Part 4 reports monetary transactions between the LLC and the foreign related party. This includes sales, services, rents, royalties, loans, interest, and other payments. You must report both amounts received and amounts paid. Part 5 applies to foreign-owned U.S. disregarded entities. Here you describe other reportable transactions, such as capital contributions, distributions, formation, or liquidation transactions, on a separate attachment. Part 6 covers non-monetary or less than full consideration transactions. If property or services were exchanged without full payment, you must describe them. Part 7 asks additional yes or no questions about imports, cost sharing, interest deductions, and certain debt rules. Part 8 is only for cost-sharing arrangements, completed only if your company participates in one. Part 9 reports base erosion payments under Section 59A if applicable. Review carefully before filing with your pro forma Form 1120. Thanks for watching.